Have you ever tried to use different calculations based on two different relationships between two tables? You need to know how to make a disabled relationship active. Hello everyone and welcome back. Shahab is here with another interesting tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make a disabled relationship active and use in your calculations. If it's the first time you're watching my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get a notification for the new upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Consider we have this simple report, and on this table we show the count of orders on different months and years. As you can see, our year and months columns are coming from our dim date table. If we go to the data model view, we can see the relationship between fact sales and dim date is between the order date from fact sales and date column from the dim date. This means in this report, this order count shows the number of products sold based on different order dates. If we go to table view and select fact sales, apart from order date, we can see due date and ship date columns here. Now, if the business asks us to show the number of orders based on the ship date in another column on this table, what should we do? If I go back to the data model view, we can see there is no relationship between the ship date and dim date table. And now, our order count is calculating the number of orders based on this available relationship, which is the order date. So, if I drag ship date from fact sales to date column on dim date, you can see a relationship will be created. Now, if I go back to the report view, create a measure to calculate the orders by ship date, we may see the desired values. Let's try. I'll create a new measure and name it as order count ship date, and then put an equal sign in front of it. We need to write the calculate function. Open parentheses and go to the next line. Here I write count function, and inside parentheses the sales order ID from the fact sales. Now, after applying the measure, let's insert it into the table to see what's happening. You can see there is no difference between the values in these two order count columns. But why this happened? It's because Power BI still calculates the order count based on the relationship between order date and date column in dim date. Let's go back to the data model view. You can see the relationship between ship date and date column is not like a solid line, and it's shown as a dotted line. If I double click on it, this edit relationship window shows the relationship is not active because this checkmark is not selected. So let's try to put a check mark. Oops! You can see Power BI tells us we cannot create more than one active relationship between two tables. So what's the solution? How can we calculate the orders count based on the ship date? The solution is applying a small change in the DAX expression and making the relationship active only for that specific measure. So after the count expression, put a comma and go to the next line by pressing Shift and Enter. Here we should define which relationship should be used. So, write UseRelationship as the function which changes the relationship, and then inside the parentheses, first choose the date column from DIMDate, and then insert a comma. Now define the column which should be connected. In our case, it's ship date from fact sales. Close the parentheses and apply the measure. Boom! Now you can see the counts of orders in two different columns. The first column calculated based on order date, and the second column calculated based on ship date. So easy! The only thing you should pay attention is, before writing this measure, you need to make a relationship between the desired columns and then edit the measure.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it, and subscribe to the channel to get a notification for the new upcoming videos. Have a good day. All power.